Hello and welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore a very special shape called the right triangle. We will learn what makes it unique and how to identify its different parts. First, let us quickly review what a triangle is. A triangle is a closed shape with exactly 3 sides and 3 angles. The sum of all the angles inside any triangle is always 180 degrees. To understand a right triangle, we first need to understand the right angle. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. It looks like the corner of a square or a capital letter L. When 2 lines meet at a right angle, we say they are perpendicular. So, what defines a right triangle? It is simply a triangle that contains exactly one right angle. If you see a small square symbol in the corner of a triangle, that tells you it is a right triangle. Right triangles have special names for their sides. The 2 sides that touch the right angle are called the legs. You can think of them as the base and the height of the triangle. The third side has a special name too. It is called the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. It is always the longest side of the right triangle because it connects the 2 legs. We know that one angle is 90 degrees and the total is 180 degrees. This means the other 2 angles must add up to 90 degrees. These 2 angles are always acute, which means they are each less than 90 degrees. You can see right triangles everywhere in the real world. A ladder leaning against a wall forms a right triangle with the ground and the wall. Wheelchair ramps and the corners of rooms are also perfect examples. There is a famous mathematical relationship between the sides of a right triangle called the Pythagorean Theorem. It states that the square of leg A plus the square of leg B equals the square of the hypotenuse C. Let us summarize what we learned. A right triangle has one 90-degree angle. The sides touching the angle are legs, and the longest side is the hypotenuse. The other 2 angles are acute. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.